Uh, I'm gonna stream the moon for a little while. We'll, all right, I'm gonna stream the moon for a little bit. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get me something to drink real fast. I forgot to go get something to drink. Got a radio going, not radio, but a IRN network going on the other computer. But I'll be right back. Grab me a smoke or a beer, whatever you got. I'm having coffee and Red Bull. I don't know what this is. Some kind of energy drink. I know it's not good for me. Life of a astronomer. All right, I'll share the stream once I get back. All right, I think I'm streaming. Guess I'll share it. All right. All right, we're streaming half a moon now. How come it's not? Hopefully that's coming out okay for you guys. The only chat I got set up on my live stream. I don't have a Hangout set up yet. I guess somebody wants to message me or something. I'll set one up. And we'll just go from there. Some Google Plus. So hard to type in the dark. All right, half a moon. All right, so we're streaming half a moon. Kind of cold. You know, I got my biker jacket on. It's a little bit cool, just a little bit. Maybe we'll catch something flying by the moon or something. If you missed it earlier, I streamed the Andromeda Galaxy. Come out a pretty good picture for not being ready to do it all. Man, I'm going to be needing a heater out here before long. I think see if I can get that moon to look a little bit better. I'm using my kind of crappy camera, so kind of limited. See if it looks better, darker. Maybe not. I'll just let that run for a minute and see what that looks like. I think it looked better lighter. Let me turn it back up. Try catching something fly by there. See if I zoom in. Try to go to 2x2 binding. Looks like I'm semi-decent focus. Let's zoom in a little more. Yeah, ever since I dropped this camera, it's pretty fried out. Got a lot of noise in it. That's pretty focused though for that. Man, look at that distortion going. Mega distortion. Let me zoom back out. If I'm out this far, man, I'm not tracking very good on the moon. Then if a plane flies by, might be able to catch that baby. Never have been able to catch one yet. I've seen Dark Sky Watcher. He gets them all the time. Maybe not all the time. He's the only word I got 0. He's caught a bunch of stuff on his live feeds. I watch his live. If I'm on a long drive, I'll watch his live feed. Sometimes he has good movies going, or always has some kind of sky going. Something to listen to in the background. See how I don't know if you guys can see that, but my camera, since I dropped it, leaves all these little square. Oops, something flew by. I think that might have been a bat or a bird, one of the two. Anyway, there's the half the moon for you. So I can go see here. Nothing on that channel. What we got going here? Whether it's I can't move that. Oh, that's weird. Okay, we go back to scene 1. Kind of getting cold. Probably won't stream this real long. Stream it a little bit, and then I'm gonna probably go up and get warmed up a little bit, and come out real early in the morning and get all the good stuff. By that time, the moon will be higher up in the sky, and hopefully I can shoot around it, get some decent pictures. I really want to get the Orion Nebula. I've been waiting all year for it to come up. Share Dabu's thing on that shooting today. Drudge report. Record 94,610,000. I think that's what that number is. Americans not in labor force. Another one by Dabu. NWO alert. U.S. joins UN Global Police Force. Which will it be? I got a couple of really good editors that post stuff to my news page too. So on top of mine, there's a cool one from Dark Sky Watcher. I don't think I'm in that. No, not in that group. I need to check that out on my other profile. Let me copy this. I don't think I'm following them. Switch back to my personal page. Search. Paste that in there. This looks like pretty good. And I got some good links on here. Didn't even know about this page. It's a pretty good page. Alright. Sorry about those sitting here checking out my news page. So far all we got was a bird flying by. Maybe I'll zoom in for a little bit here. Turn some stuff up so we can see it a little better. Catch something flying across there, that'd be pretty cool. Okay. There we go. Now we're really zoomed in. One thing about a crappy camera is to catch something flying by the moon, it's going to have to be close to the moon for this camera to pick up on it. I've got a piece of footage I need to go through, which hopefully I'll go through it this weekend. and see if I caught anything. I did see something fly by, and I was zoomed in about like I am now, and I don't know what it was. A lot of distortion going on there. That thing is wobbling around like crazy. Saying I'm offline, but I'm really online. That's weird. So hopefully I'm online. Maybe I just went off. Hmm. Maybe I need to reload this page. At least I think I'm streaming. I'm not 100% sure right now. It's saying I'm streaming. Haven't got nothing's dropped by this. Man, I wish I could crank this up to the 1080. It's streaming okay for 1280 by 720, but it'd be nice if I could crank it up. I don't think I can crank it as I'm going. Yeah, it won't let me. So I'm gonna go check this out. Stop. That may not. Hmm. That's another one. Anyway, first night of using this broadcaster. First time I've had it not freeze up on me. It's awesome. It's not messing up. So hopefully now I can really do some pretty good feeds and news stuff and astrophotography stuff. So whoever likes looking at the moon and stars, talking some crap, that's what I can do. Go check and see if I'm actually streaming. Almost need two people doing this so you can check all this stuff out. Yeah, that air is definitely getting brisk. So now, why am I getting echo? So switch. Wow, it's weird. I got my camera. Oh, I don't know why. You guys don't need to be looking at me right now anyway while I'm screwing around here. See if I can. Adjust it there a little bit. Anyway, I don't know if anybody's even in here in the chat or anything. I can't tell. Oh boy, I got so much extra space here. Let's go try 125%. Yeah, that didn't work. Let's go 50. Let's try 175. Might be a little bigger. Anyway, after I do this a few times, I'll get all this lined out. Get everything lined out so I know what I'm doing a little better. Shrink me down a little bit. A lot of stuff going on in the world. Had an earthquake just a little bit ago. Always post any earthquakes over 5. This one was in a weird spot. I don't know that I've seen one here in a while. It's Esperance Rock, New Zealand. Well, I guess they do get quite a few earthquakes down there. Just I haven't seen that New Zealand come up in a while. I don't have my earthquake 3D on here. I could have went over that. Guess I could go to the Soho site. Soho, man, I cannot talk. Soho site. I haven't got any bookmarks, not in this computer yet. So, and it's really hard to see out here with no light. Guess the fastest way to get there would be just type sun. Yeah, I like to stream the sun too. I take a welding goggles or a welding mask glass, and it's just got a little thing I can stick it right on the end of my little telescope, and it works really good. So why is the NASA page not coming up? Usually something's going on when that page don't come up. Sometimes they'll leave footage out and then put it in later. Well, this browse, I don't like this Bing browse engine. This sucks. Why I can't? What the heck is wrong with this browser? So add that to favorites. You guys probably can't see what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to find an article or something that we can dive into, but this browser don't want to work with me. This is the side I was on the bookmark. Let's see. Well, where is it? The links ain't working on this page. Try hitting this. Once I get this working, I'll share it on my screen. Do a little moon adjustment here. Since it's tracking down, I'm going to start it a little low. I think I'll zoom in on it one notch. Hopefully one of these days I'll catch something singing by there. Let's crank that baby way up. Well, this site really is not working. I think I'll just close that. Yeah, I think I'm going to go in for a little bit. It's getting a little cool. I'm going to be back out here in a little while anyway. I think I will sign off for now. God bless. You guys have a good night. And hopefully I'll have some good footage for you in the morning. Hopefully I'll be a little better prepared the next time I do the next live stream. Hopefully we'll have some guests coming on a couple of them. So they can get time to come on with me. Looks like I might have knocked this sucker out of it. All right, well, God bless. You guys have a good night. Kart Racer out. Let me see if I can even figure out how to turn this off. All right, you guys have a